In this video, I'll show you how to hide images in mobile view in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the description of this video, and in there you will find a link for a browser extension. Now simply click on the link. Once you click on the link, this is the page you are going to see. You'll be taken to chromewebstore.google.com, or what you could also do is simply head over to Chrome Web Store, and at the top you will find a search bar, and from here, just simply search for Squarespace ID Finder. Now to add Squarespace ID Finder within your browser extension, you want to simply head over to the right hand side of Squarespace ID Finder, and in here you will find an option to add to your browser. Now this doesn't mean that we are using Chrome Web Store that you can't download this browser if you are not using Google Chrome. This will work on any types of browsers, and in order for you to get started, click on Add to Browser. Now at the top, you will see a pop-up, click on Add Extension. And once that's done, it will automatically be added to your browser. Now the next step is to make sure that this was added, and to do that, simply head over to the search bar, and on the right hand side, click on the Extensions tab. Now at the bottom, you will automatically see Squarespace ID Finder. Now head over back to Squarespace. In here, you want to go to the left-hand side of the navigation panel, and at the bottom, click on Pages. Now, once you are on the Pages section, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, and in here, you will find Custom Code. Simply click on the drop-down for Custom Code, and down below, you will find Custom CSS. Now, click on Custom CSS. Now from here on the left hand side, we have a blank slate. Now what you want to do is simply head over to the description of this video again, and in there you will find a block of code. Simply highlight the block of code and press on Ctrl C to copy the code.